Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Canon printer to an iPhone. First, ensure your Canon printer supports wireless connectivity, as not all models do. Next, confirm that both your iPhone and the printer are actively connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial step for seamless communication. Finally, download the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app from the Apple App Store, which is essential for managing your printer and print jobs. Once you have the Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app installed, open it on your iPhone. You will see a printer icon, usually in the top left corner. Tap this icon. Then, select the option to register printer and choose Detect Printer to allow the app to find your device on the network. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the registration, which typically takes less than 1 minute. If a shared Wi-Fi network isn't available, many Canon printers offer Wi-Fi Direct. This feature allows your iPhone to connect directly to the printer. To enable it, navigate through your printer's control panel menu and select the Wi-Fi Direct option. Your printer will then broadcast its own Wi-Fi network. On your iPhone, go to Wi-Fi settings and select the printer's direct network to establish a connection. After connecting, printing is simple. From any app on your iPhone, tap the share icon, then select Print. Your Canon printer should appear as an option. Choose your printer, adjust any desired settings such as paper size, number of copies, or color mode, and then tap Print. If you encounter any connection problems, a quick restart of both your iPhone and the printer often resolves most minor issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.